Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay. Here I would like to submit my research report titled Alternative Selection of Study Program in the Faculty of Engineering based on 4 criteria which a statistical approach and technique for order performa by similarity to ideal solution or TOPSIS. Okay, next slide. Here, for the outline, we will discuss 5. First, about a background of the research. Second, in multiple regression. Third, ANOVA test. Fourth, concept analysis, and the last, conclusion. About research background, selection of the right study program is one of the problem itself for study with student who wish to continue the education to tertiary level. This is not based on the student own interest factor but on the job prospect factor when the student graduates later, and also other factor to consider. Therefore, this research is more oriented to the alternative selection of the right study program based on 4 criteria in the technical faculty. Why is the engineering faculty? Because the research oriented the object of research in Gresik, which based on Gresik has a lot manufacturing industry that absorb labor from engineering field. There are several engineering majors in University in Gresik. In one, chemical engineering, electric engineering, civil engineering, industrial engineering, informatic engineering, mechanical engineering, informatic system, and multimedia network. Therefore, job factor just for coincident in choosing a study program by student based on the reference material option A, C1 job vacancy need, C2 total interest, C3 number of seats, C4 cost per semester include SPP. The research will have a incubator concept. When students who enter college in Gresik are assumed to come from school in Gresik and will work in Gresik. For job vacancy C1, data is option data from 10 major companies in Gresik which have been present on the PPT slide. Data on the number of interest C2 is data from high school students in Gresik who wish to continue the tertiary institution. Data on the number of seats C3 and cost per semester C4 are data taken from tertiary institution in Gresik. To next the slide 5. Okay, slide 5. Next, the discuss analysis on the multiple regression. It is known that the descriptive statistic, the average number of interest in the engineering faculty is 792 prospective students. The average number of job vacancy is 10 jobs. An average number of students admitted to the engineering faculty was 282 students, and average cost per semester 44,600, more than 44,000. Okay, to correlation analysis show that there is a strong correlation between the number of applications and the number received of 0.848, while in the independent variable between job vacancy and the number accept course, that is correlation 0.756. This identification multicollinearity to model summary. The summary table show the R-square value of 0.838. This means that 83.3% of the variable of enthusiasts can be explained by the variable job vacancy, the amount received, and the cost per semester. Meanwhile, the remaining 16.02% is explained by of variable not identified by the model. Okay, next slide. Slide 6. The ANOVA table from multiple regression analysis show a significant value of less than 0.05 will mean that the variable of job vacancy, the amount received, and the cost per semester together have an effect on the amount of interest in entering. To next, from the multi-regression model it is found that for every 1 unit reduced in job vacancy, the number entry interest will decrease by 2 prospective students. Every 1 unit increase in the number of students in a SAP, the number of student interest will increase by 4 people. And for each additional 1 unit cost, the number of applicants will increase to be 8 people. Next slide. Slide 7. Statistic descriptive to ANOVA test. The result of ANOVA test descriptive statistic for job vacancy explains that the industrial engineering study program has the most number of job vacancy among other study programs. The result of homogeneity of variance explains that the significant value is greater than 5%, which means that the assumptions for a variance equality has been fulfilled for the ANOVA test. Table ANOVA. The ANOVA table shows that the significant value is less than 5%, which means that the average job vacancy for a study program in engineering is different. The next, page X. Checking from the homogeneous. Sorry. The two-K test showed that the value given is yellow has a significant value of more than 5%, which means that the difference between study program and not really real. To the next two-K test. Two-K test in slide 9. Judging from the homogeneity subset, it can be seen that the civil engineering and multimedia network study program have the same average significance in subset 1. The following is for study program that included in another subset group. The next slide 10, TOPSIS analysis. The TOPSIS analysis test here will take for assessment criteria, namely the need for job vacancy C1, the number of enthusiasts C2, the number received C3, and the cost per semester outside of SPP C4. The value generate a value option according to survey that has been conducted. The value data will then be adjusted to be ranking data according to study program. After that, the normality value will be calculated, which is the range. Okay, the next step in determine to normality weight value. The next step is to calculate the positive ideal alternative distance and the negative ideal alternative distance. The next step, when the distance from the positive and negative ideal value have met, namely determine the preference value, and the last is ranking. The result is seen from the TOPSIS ranking. So for the absorption of labor, the number of interest, the amount received, and the cost. The industrial engineering study program is the most recommended, followed by the informatic engineering study program, the mechanic engineering. The last conclusion from the multiple regression model is found that for every 1 unit reduced in job vacancy, the number of entry interest will decrease by 20 prospective students. Every 1 unit increase in number student is accept, the number of student interest will increase by 4 people, and each additional 1 unit cost, the number of application will increase by 8 people. Number 2, conclusion to number 2, analysis of variance show that in the homogeneous subset test in found that civil engineering and multimedia network study program are included in subset 1, so that in being identification that the two study programs do not have significant difference in terms of job vacancy with one another. Subset to show that